Hello everyone, my name is Boris Kipnis and I developed a unique method in order to help you start speaking Hebrew in maximum speed and efficiency. Many of you asked me to share with you my special method of teaching prepositions. In the next few minutes I'm going to show you how it can be done easily without learning grammar tables by heart. How would you say in Hebrew with me? Im ani? No way, it doesn't exist in Hebrew. You probably know how to say in Hebrew coffee with sugar, קפה עם סוכר, tea with lemon, תה עם לימון. But how would you say with me? אם אני? No way. Let's start at the beginning. How would you say Rosa wants to speak? Rosa רוצה לדבר. Rosa doesn't want to speak. Rosa לא רוצה לדבר. I want to speak with Rosa. אני רוצה לדבר עם Rosa. But how would you say Rosa wants to speak with me? Rosa רוצה לדבר... Stop! Whenever you name what you drink coffee with sugar. What you drink tea with lemon. Who you speak with Rosa. In all these cases where you name, you can and you have to use the sound im. Coffee with sugar. קפה עם סוכר. Tea with lemon. תה עם לימון. I want to speak with Rosa. אני רוצה לדבר עם Rosa. But Rosa wants to speak with me. Here I don't name. Whenever I want to say with whom without naming, I am always going to use the sound it. I'm going to give you now a series of associations that will allow you to learn how to use correctly this preposition in Hebrew. With me, first of all, the sound it. With me would be איתי. איתי, איתי, איתי. Let's see how to say with you, Joseph. Imagine a very funny guy. You look at him and you start laughing. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha, ha. Not ha, not ha, ha. That's why with you, Joseph is going to be itcha. Itcha, itcha. Now I'm going to tell you about a very important sound that you're going to use a lot in Hebrew. You can find this sound in the middle of the English alphabet. It's the sound M. M. This sound indicates the plural in Hebrew. So, if with me, it, I, iti, with you, Joseph, it, cha, itcha, speaking to a group, how would you say with you? איתך, איתכם, 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 איתכם. Absolutely correct. You'd say איתכם. Now, in order to bring order to all Hebrew prepositions, we're always going to follow 3 steps. Not 2, not 4, not 5, exactly 3 steps. I will always start with myself, disregarding what I want to say. With him, with her, with us, never mind. I will always start with myself. First step, with me, איתי. Second step, with you, Joseph, איתך. Third step, with you guys, איתכם, איתכם. So, first step, with me, איתי. With you, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. Very good. Why is it so important to follow these steps? The sounds of Hebrew prepositions are very often confusing. Now, trust me, you don't want to use your prepositions in Hebrew incorrectly. By following these steps, you build yourself a powerful, firm system that will immediately boost your Hebrew speaking and understanding. We will constantly get back to these 3 steps, so please always follow them. For instance, the phrase I want to speak with them. I start with myself, Therefore, instead of with them, I will say with me. Correct. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. Very good. Them is plural. What's the sound that I use for the plural in Hebrew? Correct. The sound M, giving us it. M, איתם, 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 איתם. So the phrase would sound, אני רוצה לדבר איתם. But how would you say with him, with her? I'm going to draw two silly pictures that will allow you to remember these sounds forever. He is going to have a mustache. For him will have the sound O. O. She is going to have a floral dress. For her will have the sound A. A. So if I want to say with him, what am I starting with? Correct, with myself. Because I always start with myself, following 3 steps. With me, איתי. With you, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. Very good. So how would you say with him? איתו. With her, איתה. Very good. We're almost done. We're left only with 4 forms. We've already seen that with you, Joseph, would be stop. 3 steps. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. So with you, Joseph is איתך. If the sound for Joseph is ח, with you, Sarah, exactly the opposite sound. אח. איתך. Very good. And how would you say with you girls? I'm following the 3 steps. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. With you girls requires the next letter in the alphabet after M, the letter N. It's the sound of the feminine plural. With you girls, איתכן. איתכן. Let's repeat everything. With me, איתי. With you, איתך. With you plural, איתכם. With you girls, the next letter in the alphabet, איתכן. With you Sarah, if with you Joseph, איתך, consequently with you Sarah is going to be אח, איתך, איתך. Great. With him, איתו. With her, איתה. With them, איתם, איתם, איתם. With them girls, איתן, איתן. Very good. That's it. Now you know how to use the preposition with without any grammar tables or drilling. Like this one, this one, this one, that. No need for that. I always start with myself, following the 3 steps, and only then I begin searching the relevant form. Now you understand the forms naturally, without hours of studying and drilling. I congratulate you guys. Now you know all the forms except one, with us. But this form you'll see in our next lesson that will be dedicated to an intensive practice of different phrases in context with this preposition. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss our next lessons.